Hi everyone, this is Shivatmaj and today my documentation will be I woke up at 8 o'clock and then I didn't meditate, I didn't do eye exercise, I didn't do a lot of things because I just got to work. I had a content work to finish and I submitted it to the doctor and I got paid, and after that he wanted me to do some research and correct there were some mistakes in that, and I will have to work on that. That is fine, I will do that. And tomorrow I will be going to Udupi to my brother's place. His name is Adi, and he is my cousin brother, and he's a great DJ person. You might have seen him in one of my video. And morning I spoke with Megha Nayak on Clappingo application, and it was a great conversation. She noticed the improvement in speaking English of mine, and even I noticed that. And I also noticed that day before yesterday I had cancelled the session with Megha Nayak, but somehow that session was not cancelled, and she asked me about it. And today, during our session, she was really inspired by my words and my philosophy of life. And the topic of today was risk, and she asked me about risk. And apart from that, initially, even I spoke about this yesterday, that initially I wanted to launch my own business. I think that I wanted to show the world that even I can build a business at a young age. So 21, this is my young age, and I can't have my own startup anytime after that. But I saw one video of Gary Vee where he also says that even 31 is a young age. Even when I am 31, it's not that that I am about to die or something, because I have years to go, and I needn't prove to anyone to see by this December, and I have to build my own. Like, I want to be financially free. That's all, and want to be able to make money how much I want. But that need not be a business. So in a business, there are a lot of steps which I learned from Deepak Kanakraju's internship, which is uh, everything starts from learning and then applying that learning into your work. It can be internship or some startup which you work for, and after that you can write your experiences, case study on some blog, and after that you can take that knowledge and do some consultation, and after that you can also mentor someone, you can freelance some projects, and after that, taking all this, like summing up all these experiences, you can then use this knowledge, your experience and your expertise, your relationship with all these clients into a business or startup of your own. Until then, you need not have to hurry. Like, I was like literally jumping all the way to startup because I wanted to prove someone. I realized it. So even Raj Chamani told today that in his one of his reel that everything, our stress, our worry, everything gets clear when you realize that you need not have to prove to anyone. You have to you have to be yourself. You have to take it slow if you want to, but you have to be yourself. You need not do it under pressure of someone, or to prove someone wrong or to prove someone right. You just have to let it be. And after that, I spoke with my best friend today, and it was a great conversation. And yeah, that's about the day. I also watched one LinkedIn course about digital marketing tools, and it was very insightful. And I also finished my week 2 assignment of marketing, where I just summed up all my knowledge. Yes, that is bit not completed, I can say, because it had a lot of areas to improve. And there are also more tools which I forgot to mention in that. So if you have some online tools that you use on daily basis, please go to that article. I will be like linking it in the description, and just comment there, so that I want to make this article all in one marketing guide, where you can go for referring any kind of tools or any ideas. Just go there, okay, and comment. So that's about my day, and and this is Shivatma signing off until we meet again. Hey, wait. I sorry for that. I forgot to say that I'm not sure of taking the internship of Clapping Go because of some restrictions. Also, I'm not supposed to tell any of the thing that is mentioned in the mail, or there is some confidentiality in that. But it's not about that. I'm already in two internship and about to take another internship, and these three people are some amazing people who I take inspiration from. But uh, this internship Clapping Go is bit restricting me from doing all that, so I would have to politely refuse it. And I really thank that person for like taking me into consideration and sending me offer letter today, but I can't accept it unfortunately. And my mentor is recovering soon, Swastik Nandukumar. And apart from that, yeah, I just wanted to uh, show my subscriber count, because I don't want to miss out to tell you. Okay, my LinkedIn following is 527 and 388 connections. And I wait, I will show you my Instagram. uh, Thank you for your patience. I'm just keeping my video raw so that you know that I'm original, I'm not faking anything. So I have 567 followers on Instagram and maybe 31 on Twitter. Yeah, 31 on Twitter. And on YouTube I am seeing a bit growth because of maybe because of my daily posting of videos. So 646 subscribers on YouTube. So that's about it. And yeah, I also didn't read or listen to audiobook because I didn't get time to do it. I got time to do it, I won't blame time for that, but I think my schedule was a bit messed up today. So tomorrow it will be a completely different journey, and stay tuned. This is Shivatman signing off until we meet again.